Let's get you back, Spinosaurus. This Glycosaurus isn't a dinosaur, but a massive extinct crocodile.
May bago na akong lagayan. Kalaan mo kung saan galing. Galing ay... What's this? Alam niyo na to kung ano yung takot nito. Pagkain siya, pero mahaba. May chocolate. Stick ko. Ang bangon na dito.
Let's go.
Isin ko na lang ito.
Where are the dinosaurs? Oh, there. Look at
Walang
those.
mga elements.
Wow, it's a pterodactyl.
Charms or
Its name
money.
means lizard because it has a massive claw up to
Savings.
3 feet.
So, may ano pala tayo dito. Ilagay sa kukuha yung ibang gamit.
Gotcha. Let's go.
Ito lang. Ito lang.
Did you hear us?
Basurahan. Tapos ito. Lagayan ng cellphone ko. Kulay blue yan, pero kulay white yung box. Cellphone ng mama ko. Alcohol tayo. Dito na nga lang ako. Nangangalay ako.
No way.
At least may ano naman. Tuwalya.
Mosasaurus was an oceanic apex predator, but it was not
Huwag niya na lang ako tigil. Tumingin na lang kayo dito.
I-adobo mo siya. Tapos,
Let's get you
lagyan mo
inside.
ng Sprite. Hindi mo ito dito. So, ito yung parang luto siya ng paano manok. Pero,
One more? Wow, Triceratops. Its name is Triceratops. Literally means big boy face. Big ones above the eyes.
dapat kasi
and
hindi
one
ganyan.
smaller one
Talas
on
ng
the
pansit
nose.
yun,
It
naubos.
was massive, about
Yung mga
30
pansit
feet
tapos,
long, 10
hindi man
feet
may
tall,
fried
and
chicken.
it weighs up to 12 pounds.
Hindi ko alam na maubos eh. Isang kilo mahigit kasi yun eh.
Gotcha,
Mapa kasi ito.
Triceratops. Let's get you back in place.
Grayo sa
What? Where is it coming from?
Dalawa na lang natira.
Whoa! Pterodactyl! Did you know that
Bayad mo lang, bayad mo din
pterodactyls
ah.
are not dinosaurs? They're actually flying reptiles belong to a separate group called the pterosaurs.
Sige, say tanong mo.
Let's get you back. Whoa, it's a Brachiosaurus. Wow, such a long neck. Brachiosaurus
Ano
can
ba papagawa sa
reach
inyo, Baba?
from trees up to 40 feet high.
Hello na nga, diba? Tapos hindi na naman gumagana yung TV. Tapos ilinisin mo na rin sa amin yung aircon ni Lola. Para sa akin punta kami doon ng safety.
Paano mo linisin sila ng bakit?
Nadaling ko doon sa may car wash. Yung may car wash doon.
Asan ba yung binili natin na
Doon yung kay Daddy, ginagamit niya sa manok. Yun ang gagawin sa manok.
Hindi ko na gamitin mo.
This is an Anonymous Rex. It's a fictional dinosaur, not a real dinosaur. It has every trait, like strength, intelligence, camouflage, here to help. Yes, yes, help us. Quick.
Eh, ba't mo nga yun si ano? Si Ate Ira? Kay Joanna.
Thank you, Steffi.
Agility.
Steffi,
Ano
that
ba
was
yung picture ng ganda?
Website wala ko pero.
Guys, let's not mess with the dinosaur sizes anymore. Oh, yeah.
Maganda sana ito eh, oh. Sa Capital One, in-house account.
Wait a minute.
Kaso
What
3 to 4
camera is
months on
missing?
site.
I think I forgot it
Lagi dumadaan
outside.
ko sa ano ko eh. Tapos meron tayo kasi access eh. So, ano rin ito.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Let's make it long. Guys, let's fill up the forward hole. Great idea. Green, red, blue, yellow. Three, two, one, go. Guys, shark? I can't see any shark. Look there.
Eh, ano gagawin ko? Tingnan mo nga ako ng
Are you
ano ba?
okay? There's no shark. I'm okay. Just send it to me. Okay, guys. Let's go.
Magkano yung utang nun?
I think we better stay here.
60 ba yun?
Let's go. Okay, now.
Send ko sa akin na
Don't jump in the pool.
Sorry, Dad.
Okay, Phil. I need to change. I'll be right back.
Did you see Alex?
Gusto niya, pilo na naman tayong manok. Tapos pansit. Gusto mo manok ulit? Okay.
Alex, are
Ano yung chicken?
Hindi gusto masalit, ang balat wala akong hindi lang ako may hita.
Maybe Alex wants to swim? Maybe. Here's the fun. You go find Alex and you stay here. Good. Alex, are you alright? That is a shark, look! Let's catch the shark. Alex,
Maganda yung French fries ng ano, Mal. Ito yung bonus. Diba? Ang haba ng string.
Galing nga pumili. To catch the shark. Alex, give us that. Oh, here.
Ay, yung sa SM, di ba durog-durog?
Yung nagalit kinuha namin.
Yung mga na ano yun, mga tagalan na yun. Kaya
Come
durog-durog.
here, little fishy. Don't worry, kids. I'm gonna get it. Come join me.
Kanina ko daw nalagnat.
Hey.
Pag bumaligtad ka dyan, Stacy, tignan mo oh.
Cassie. Maria.
Wallet ko.
Ivan. Get in that way. Enjoy your stay in Golden Prison.
Let us out!
Let us out,
We just-
please.
What's wrong?
Right, guys, let's explore the golden cell.
Can't escape. Oh, definitely here.
Golden shower. Whoa! I feel fancy, but it's not really helpful. We need an escape plan.
Escape from this place? How?
Please alert. There is no way out from here. Keep it down on the cell. Huh? Okay. No, no, no.
Have your pancakes? This looks so yummy. I'm so hungry.
Can I please have the coconut?
Save me too.
Yeah, I like it. I'm crying today. Thank you.
You.
So good.
I love coconut juice.
Isa spelling na ako.